So now we are having here the characteristics of sound. Okay, the characteristics of sounds are pitch and loudness, and third is the quality. Two of the main characteristics of sound are pitch and loudness, students. Okay, uh, in which turn are determined by frequency and amplitude of the wave respectively. Okay, so first of all, what is pitch, students? Pitch is the characteristics of sound by which you can distinguish between the two sounds, okay, having the same loudness. Like pitch is a subjective measurement. A pitch of a sound depends upon the frequency of vibration. So frequency determines the shrillness or the pitch of a sound, okay. The pitch of the sound produced by an object vibrating with low frequency is low, and the sound is called the grave sound, okay. And when the pitch of sound produced by object vibrating with high frequency is high, and the sound is called a shrill sound, okay. It's given in your book directly. Even he's saying if the frequency of a vibrating body is lower, then the sound has low pitch. For example, when the drum vibrates with low frequency, therefore it produces a low pitched sound. On the other hand, a whistle has high frequency, therefore produces a sound of high pitch, okay. A bird makes high pitched sound, whereas a lion makes a low pitched sound when it roars, okay. Next characteristic, we are having loudness. It is a common experience that you shout, you produce louder sound. Similarly, when you whisper, you produce feeble sound, right? So loudness is a characteristics of sound by which a loud sound can be distinguished from a faint sound. Even they have the same pitch. अगर दोनों की सेम पिच है तब भी आप डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हो कौन सी साउंड क्या है, लाउड है, कौन सी फेंट है, ओके. It is measured accurately by amplitude of vibration of sound source, okay. Loudness of sound is directly proportional to the square of amplitude of vibration producing the sound. For example, if the amplitude becomes twice, the loudness increases 4 times, okay. When you strike a drum softly, its skin vibrates with a smaller amplitude and a soft sound is produced, okay. When you strike the drum harder, its skin vibrates with greater amplitudes and a louder sound is produced. Therefore, other factors also affect the loudness of sound, like surface area of vibrating body, distance from the vibrating body, etc., okay. And the SI unit of sound, the sound is measured in decibels, okay, students. Next question I am having here, how do sound travel from one place to another, or how the sound propagates? Students, sound needs a medium to propagate, okay. So we will discuss this topic with the help of an activities, okay. So when you call up your friend who is standing at a distance, your friend is able to hear your voice, right? How it happens? Students, as we have learned that sound is produced by the vibration of an object, right? The vibrating objects produced, sound in the form of energy. The vibrating objects transfer this energy to the air molecule close to it. These molecules also start vibrating. As you know, everything in the universe made up of molecules, right? The molecules vibrates, due to which the vibration due to which the sound is produced, right? When the molecule vibrates, they start vibrating back and forth with the same frequency. These vibrating air molecules pass on their vibration to the next air molecules, and the process goes on, and ultimately all the molecules around the sound producing object starts vibrating back and forth. When the vibrating air molecules falls on the eardrum, we feel this vibration as sound. Means all this happens only due to the vibration of the molecules, because vibration produces the sound. So sound needs a medium to travel. So what is medium, students? The substance or matter through which a sound is transmitted, जिसके through sound transfer होती है, that is called its medium, okay. So first of all, we will discuss about the solids, how sound travels through the solids. So here is one activity given in your book, even students, that is activity 13, sorry, and the figure is given here 13.13. What you will do, you will ask your friend to keep your ear near the surface of table, okay. On the other hand, you will tap the table with your hand. what you will observe, your friend will feel the vibrations and hear the sound of the tapping. So this activity shows that the sound travels through the solids. Okay, now the question is here, does the sound travels through water? For this we will perform one activity, that is activity 13.8 given in your book. What you will do, you will take a bucket or the bathtub, okay, fill it with the clean water. Students, take a small bell, temple bell in your hand, shake the bell inside the water to produce sound, but make sure that the bell should not touch the bottom of the water. Okay, and when you place your ear near the surface of water, you will observe that you will hear the louder sound. Okay, so from this activity we can conclude that even sound travels through liquids. Sound travels faster through liquid medium. Okay, next is the sounds travel through gaseous state. So here is one activity in your book, that is activity 13.7. Students, so what you will do in this, you will take a cell phone and keep it in the glass. Ask your friend to ring in it on it. Okay, जब उस पे आपका friend ring करेगा, you will hear the sound. After that what you will do, you will take that glass and keep it near your mouth and suck all the air present inside the glass, and again ask your friend to ring on it. You will observe that you will feel very feeble sound when all the air is sucked out from the glass. You will hear very feeble sound. So from this activity even we can conclude that sound travels through the gases even. Okay, but sound travels faster in water than in solids and then in the gases. Okay, and when the whole air is sucked from the glass, you see that your sound is not audible to you, because that is the vacuum condition. This activity even shows that sound needs a medium to travel. Sound do not travels in the vacuum condition. Vacuum condition kaun si hoti hai? From which the air is completely removed, that is called the vacuum condition. Okay, so students, we are having the two types of sounds. One are the audible sound and second is the inaudible sounds. Audible sounds क्या होती हैं? जो हमें easily सुनाई देती हैं. Inaudible जो हमें सुनाई नहीं देती हैं. Okay, so the range of the audible sounds, the sounds which are sound frequency higher than 20,000 vibration per seconds are not audible. Okay, or we can say that the human ear, the range of audible frequency is roughly from 20 to 20,000 hertz. That is the audible range. Okay, 20 hertz से लेकर 20,000 hertz तक जो sound है वो हमें audible होती हैं. Below 20 hertz or more than 20,000 hertz are the inaudible sounds. Okay, the sounds inaudible to human having frequency less than 20 hertz are called infrasonic sounds. Also students, जो sounds inaudible होती हैं humans को, उनको हम infrasonic sounds भी कहते हैं. Okay, like animals like whale and elephants are produce infrasonic sounds. Okay, and the sounds which are audible to human, inaudible to human having range 20,000 hertz, more than 20,000 hertz are called ultrasonic. मतलब जो इनऑडिबल साउंड है 20 हर्ट्ज से नीचे आती हैं, दैट इज इंफ्रासोनिक, एंड मोर देन 20,000 हर्ट्ज आर in ultrasonic. Okay, like dogs hear up 40,000 hertz. Okay, they are special whistles known as Galton whistles. They can produce the frequency of more than 20,000 hertz. The owner of dog can use these whistles to give signals to their dogs. Okay, so these are the infrasonic and the ultrasonic sounds.